Okay guys, it's another grand furnace attack. On this base, a lot of people, it's double invis, but a lot of people think that because they place all the heroes around the town hall, that it would deter the attacker from going in. But I kind of love that challenge. So this is what we're going to do with our RC. We're going to try to get the town hall first, and then we're just going to do the fireball in one of those invisible compartment in the beginning, just to get it going, and then the rest of my army is going to come in from the bottom side to converge with the Grand Warden to help out in the mid, and then I'll bring in my RC again up top to kind of help with the cleanup process. So here we go. Okay, RC is gonna come in on that wizard tower and also that cannon. So I know I wanted to get the town hall. And so I'm going to use some of my invis on the town hall. It's quite a few. Town halls, it's a high value. I'll come back for those heroes and those buildings later. So now I can start on either side, but the Grand Warden coming from the left side. Fireball, earthquake. And as soon as that building goes down, I put down my furnaces. Like I said, coming from the bottom side, as always, ice golem to freeze everything up. And the Super Yeti with that chain electric. Queen coming in. Queen got stuck in that tornado tower, but no problem. Gotta be careful of that hook because my Grand Warden is in range for that hook, so I gotta be careful. CC troops are coming over from my Grand Warden. The witches, they're pretty tough. Depends on what setup you're using. Now I gotta break this wall over on the bottom left. So my queen can come around. She has a full health. And now the Grand Warden is still working on those ore mines. So then goes on the Grand Warden, top the clean ability. So I made about that invisible spell in that compartment, coming down, no problem. Start my RC on the top side is going to get that queen. Now I have 2 invis left. Pretty much it's a gun. RC with the rocket. Invis the queen and the puppet. As soon as the cannon turn around, invis that RC. And it turns back around, it's dead. There we go. And it's cleanup time. There you have it, everyone. The Grand Furnace attack. That's a very strong attack, and thanks again for watching.